Hi everyone, welcome back. Before you read for Rash, it's quiet out here. The dogs are put inside for the moment because I'm going to tell you a bit more about measuring liquids today. So yesterday you might remember we looked at milliliters and liters, and we had our measuring jug, and we saw that 1000 milliliters is the same as 1 liter. Okay, today you might notice that I have water in my jug and it measures up to 500 milliliters. So 500 milliliters is the same as half a liter. So 500 milliliters is 1/2, and if we had another 500 milliliters, making 2 halves, we'd reach 1000 milliliters or 1 liter. So let's have a little look at that in the cards. This is how we write it using fractions: half a liter, and this is what it looks like in milliliters. 500 milliliters. You might remember when we were doing fractions in school that the half fraction is a family of 2. So 1/2 and another half, 2 halves, will give us 1 whole. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put these away, and I'm going to ask you to get your cracking mats and Oscar Erlahnuk 100. Oops, that's the wrong page. Sorry. Lahnuk 141, Cade Dahad Ahain, and we're just going to have a look at the top of the book here, and it has the measuring jug here, full with 1000 milliliters or 1 liter, and at the bottom we've got 2 jugs, and each one has a half. 1/2 and another half, so 2 halves will give us 1 whole liter. 1/2 plus another half will give us 1 whole liter. Okay, so what I'm going to ask you to do then is to go and get your measuring jug and see if you can put 500 milliliters or half a liter, fill it with water, and then hopefully it's lovely and dry and sunny, and you can come outside and take your towel, and you've got to get these items. Now I have mine here and I'll put them out. If you don't have exactly these, maybe something that looks close in size to these. Okay, so I'm going to put mine out. So I have my glass, and we have the mug, and I actually had a tub of flora, would you believe, and we have a saucepan. Okay, so first of all what we're going to do is estimate. Remember, that is to guess. So we're going to look at all of these and guess. So we don't fill it with any water, we just look at them and think, estimate or guess. Will this hold less than half a liter? Tick it if it does. About half a liter, give that a tick if you think about half a liter, or more than half a liter, and you tick this box if it's more than half a liter, and you do that for each of the items. And then when you're finished that, you come back with your jug filled to 500 milliliters or half a liter, and you pour and you test and see, right, was I right? Does the glass hold less than half a liter, about half a liter, or more than half a liter? And you write the correct answer in here, and you do that for each of them. Okay, so then when you're finished that, the very last question at the end of the page, it asks us to draw a container that holds these amounts. So you look at the amounts in the first box. Holds less than half a liter. So you could use the items that you have here that you tested, or you might like to get some more items from home and test them and see. So you have to draw a picture of a container that holds less than half a liter in here, to draw a picture of a container that holds about half a liter here, and a container that holds more than half a liter here. So I hope you enjoy the work, and that you do not get too wet when you're doing it, and we'll talk about it on Friday. I'll check in with you on Friday and we'll see how you got on with this work. Okay, Sloan, bye girls.